Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. says China's aircraft dropping of flares in Panatag Shoal in the West Philippine Sea is expected as Manila continues to assert its sovereign rights. On August 8, Chinese fighter jets fired flares into a path of a Philippine Air Force plane, according to the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Teodoro says the recent incident shows a continuous pattern from China.
We have to expect na ito ay continuous pattern na gagawin ng China laban sa atin. Ito ay continuous na struggle for presence and for assertion of sovereign rights in the area. So you will have to expect these things to happen.
Teodoro also highlights the importance of lodging a diplomatic protest to condemn China's latest action.
Hopefully, tumugon ang China sa international law at sa pangangailangan na mag-de-escalate, lalong-lalo na kung ang naratibo nila ay mali. Naturally, hindi tayo pwedeng pabayaan ito kahit nasabihin ng publiko, diplomatic protest or whatnot. We cannot not do it kung hindi nag-aakies tayo.
President Bongbong Marcos previously denounced the air incident, calling it unjustified, illegal, and reckless.